this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to HaoSiMai Metal Company. First, let's visit our raw material workshop.
As all we know, WuXi is one of the largest stainless steel distribution centers in China, which makes the stainless steel products here have many advantages.
Behind of me is our stainless steel on coil machine.
Each of stainless steel sheet is made from our high-quality stainless steel coil. Here is the process of stainless steel coating. We can produce number 4 or halide with PVC and then cut the plate into a suitable size according to customers' requirements. The cut steel plate will be transported to the floor pallet by conveyor belt. We use craft paper to wipe the stainless steel tightly to avoid scratches. We also place fumigation wooden brackets underneath. And we can see here are our finished stainless steel plates. Let's take a closer look at them. Our company is a professional steel products manufacturer with a good experience of manufacturing and export. We cooperate with many partners all over the world, such as America, Europe, the Middle East, and so on.
These finished pack products are going to deliver them to Africa today.
On my left side is our stainless steel slitting machine. The stainless steel coil will be processed into stainless steel strip. The rest also can be customized. We can notice that the material is cut very smooth and beautiful.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.